how to turn on or turn off flashlight notification on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off flashlight notification on Android, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your Android device and then pull down the notification area by sliding down your finger down from the top of your screen, just like this. And then once you've done that, you can now see several options here, right? So the next step is to find the flashlight toggle and tap on it. For me, it is the first option here. Yours, you might have to slide to the other side of the screen to see this, okay? But whichever way, just ensure you find the flashlight toggle and then tap on it to turn it on. Once you tap on it to turn it on, just like that, your flashlight would be turned on. And then to turn it off, just tap on it this way and then it will be turned off automatically. However, if you cannot find your flashlight toggle after pulling down your notification bar, you would have to go to your settings page to add this to your quick setting. Okay, once you get your settings page and you type out flashlight settings, you'll definitely be directed on what to do. But this is basically how to turn on or turn off flashlight notification on your Android device. Thanks for watching and have a good day.